Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn how to draw a memory drawing of Ganpati Visarjan. Here we have a wonderful scene of Ganesh Visarjan, which marks the end of the 10 days long Ganesh festival. Here the older son is carrying the idol from whom the father is taking over the idol to submerge in the pond. The little daughter, filled with joy, is ringing the bell, while the mother watches them all and captures it in her memory. Let's begin our sketch with drawing our first character, who is standing with putting both his hands forward. Use basic shapes to draw the characters. Oval for heads and curved rectangle for torso and cylinders for limbs. After drawing our first character, now move on to the second. We believe you are enjoying the video, so please leave a like and subscribe. Behind the first character is standing his daughter with a bell in her hand, which we ring as a way of worshipping Ganpati Bappa. Use the same method we used for the first two characters using basic shape. Now draw in the final character, who is holding a bag in her hand while her other arm is on her shoulder. One thing to notice is how the proportions are different for the little girl and her father. Take some time and draw the details of the characters, like the expressions and the clothing detail, which will make the sketch more complete. After that, draw in the background of the. Take your time, pause the video and draw along. Keep in mind the perspective and the proportions factor. We post videos every Saturday and Sunday, so subscribe for more such amazing draw-along tutorials. Once you are done with the background, now let's move on to coloring the sketch. Make sure strokes are uniform and in the same direction, so the sketch looks more cohesive. One thing you should keep in mind is the proportion of colors, so that you can have a balanced sketch. Carefully blend the colors together so the sketch looks livelier. Make sure to pay attention to the source of light, as it will define the position of shadows and highlights on the sketch. And there we have it, a drawing of an emotional goodbye to Lord Ganesh. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.